Hello everybody, Jim here. We have a package through the mail today. And we're going to show you the package that I got through the mail today. So I have to switch the camera over, so hang in there for a minute. You had a little icon here, it decided to fly away. So, yep. Alright, so here's the box for today. This is the box. I already opened it, as you see. So we're gonna do this one-handed. Ready. Let's see what we got here. Open this up here. Put this over here. Get rid of the box. And we got a red thing here. So, boom, there you go. What do we get today? Still in the package. It is a sound machine. 16 hilarious sounds. Just what I need, huh? What kind of batteries does it take? Let's see. Does it say in the back what batteries it takes? Yep, 3 AA batteries. Oh, they're included. Cool beans. Alright, let's flip it over. And we'll start pressing buttons and see what we got. Ready? Here we go. Okay. What the heck was that one? Sounds like a fire alarm. So this is all the sounds that's in this machine here. Glass breaking, sound, all kinds of goodies. So let's go through them again. We'll start this one here again. And this one. Yeah, I wish I had that sometimes. Hey, when someone cracks a joke, we can laugh at them. Finger keeps getting away. You got the clap. Fireworks. Done. We'll shoot you. Man, Drew broke the glass. Money's coming in. Bell. Springy. Dun, dun. I like that one. And drum roll, please. Oh, yeah. Drew, stop that. You're scaring the ladies. Oh, what a weak fart that one is. Let's try it again. That's a weak one. I got fart sounds on my phone better now. Oh, hell, we get that live. So, yeah, I'd figured I'd show you what I got today through the mail. Got it off of eBay. It's the cheapest one they had. It's a sound machine. 16 hilarious sounds. Comes with batteries. That's great. So next time I stream, drum roll please. Yeah, we'll have that going in the background. Ain't you gonna... Is there a volume control on this by any chance? Let's see. What's on the side? I know it's still in plastic. I don't see nothing there. No, I don't think there's any low sound, so everybody's gonna like that. Tag in the back. Tells you what it is. Lot number and that. And nothing on top. We'll get out of the package here soon. So, yeah. That's all it is. This is gonna be fun to use. Yep. Abracadabra. Poof! There we go. Oh yeah, we got the machine out now. Right out of the package. Let's put my hand here. So what do you think? You think it's funny, huh? You think it's real funny? Oh, okay. I think it's real It's gonna be a real additive to my live stream. Really? I think it is. Yeah, I thought so. And we ain't gonna break no glass on here. We don't have no glass to break, except for the computer itself. And if you drop the computer, it's gonna cost you lots of money. So, is this a light bulb? Oh, I got an idea. That's what it is. You got an idea? Yeah. Spring into action, man. Spring into action. I like that one. Drum roll, please. And presenting Drew. Hey, I think we'll use that instead of transporter. What do you think? Yeah, we get some pretty girls that can use that one too. I'm telling you, Drew, you gotta quit doing that stuff to the ladies. Yeah, that's a weak one. I think that's a weak one. Yeah. Didn't try this one yet. Fireworks. Man, you're gonna shoot yourself with that one. So what do you guys think? That's a sound machine. That's what we're gonna use on these streams now. And my cell phone. Why not? Sounds pretty good, huh? Alrighty then. Well, I gotta let the doggies in. They're sitting at the door here, sitting on their butts in the wet like, where in the heck is that guy? So, well, let's go see if we can find him. Why not? Get the box out of the way. They're stars anyhow now. Where you guys at out there? Where's the doggies at? Hey, there's one right there. Where's the other doggy at? Hi, Peanut. Where's Pete? Looky. Look where Pete's at. Pete says, hey, man, how you doing? Hey, Pete. You guys want to go outside? Yeah? A little darker around here, huh, Pete? You gonna go around the corner. Oh, all of our snow disappeared. Look at that. All the snow's gone. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen. You have a great day, great night, whenever you're watching this. Nighttime for us here in Ohio. It is January 6th, 2020. And I gotta quit saying 2000. Say 2020. And it's at 5:45 p.m. It will be. Hey, he turned the lights on. You can see Pete a lot better. Alright, neighbors, have a good one. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please give me a thumbs up. And leave a comment. And it's going to have a live stream down the road, so keep watching for the notifications. Thank you much. Have a great one. You want to say anything, Pete? Peanut, you want to say anything? I'm cold, man. Open that damn door. Jeez. I got a wool on me, but I'm cold, man. See a little bump on him? I think he's got cancer. Have a good one, neighbors. Bye-bye.